In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Greek yogurt at home. So you're just going to need a muslin cloth and you're going to add your dahi or your plain yogurt in it. And then tie the corners of the muslin cloth very tightly, just like you can see in the video. Once you have your end secured, you're going to suspend this from any place until the water drips out. Now, one hack is to just take a spatula in a big bowl and then tie it to the spatula and then leave it in the bowl. Just like you can see here. And then you're going to leave this for 3 to 4 hours. The longer you leave it, the thicker your Greek yogurt will be. And you have homemade Greek yogurt ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this hack. Subscribe for more videos and I will see you soon. Bye.